How do I clean my composite decking? Composite decking is different to timber decking. Timber decking could be described as quite high maintenance. Composite decking is the opposite, it's very low. You'll find that if you pressure wash it a couple of times a year with a gentle pressure washer, or use a bucket of soapy water and a soft brush, that's absolutely fine. Further to that, if you can keep seasonal debris, leaves, etc., off your deck as best as possible, you'll find that the appearance will last a long, long time. Will my Ecoscape composite decking fade? It depends which product you've chosen. If you've chosen a product from the Clarity range, it will fade because of the way it's been manufactured. If you've chosen a product from the Forma or the Grande range, they've been manufactured slightly differently. They're a capped product. They come with a 25-year guarantee. They will not fade. Can I put a barbecue on my Ecoscape composite decking? The answer is yes, you can put a barbecue on your composite deck. If you've got a gas-powered barbecue, that should present no real issues. If you've got a coal-powered barbecue, you've just got to be mindful that hot coals could fall out and cause damage to your deck. If you get any barbecue-related spillages on your deck, ketchup, fat, wine, etc., they should be mopped up quickly. If your deck is from the Clarity range, you might find there's a bit of staining sticks around for a little while. If it's from the Forma or Grande range, mop it up quickly and you'll find you'll have no evidence whatsoever. Can I put a hot tub on my deck? In reality, it is best possible practice to put your hot tub onto a hard standing, ideally a concrete slab or a stone patio. It's important to remember that a cubic metre of water weighs a full metric ton. Hot tubs are heavy. If you have no option and you have to put your hot tub on the deck, you can do. But I would advise that you seek some advice from a structural engineer. You're going to have to make some serious alterations to how the deck is constructed to cater for the weight of that hot tub. Does my composite decking need to be sealed or painted? Good news, the answer is no. Composite decking is very, very low maintenance. Give it a gentle pressure wash a couple of times a year. If you haven't got a pressure washer, hot soapy water and a soft brush will suffice. Is Ecoscape composite decking slip proof? All of the Ecoscape decking products have been rigorously tested for slippiness. They've all passed with flying colours, far exceeding all minimum standards. What's interesting though is that the outright winner was the Grande board, the extra wide one. This one here. What should the joist centres be? So irrespective of what material you're using for your substructure, whether it's pressure treated timber or composite materials, your joists should be set at 400 millimeters centre point to centre point or less. Where you have two ends of boards meeting, a butt joint, there should be a double joist there to carry the ends of those boards. Can I deck a flat roof? The answer is yes, you can. Ecoscape offer a full range of products to accommodate this, including pedestals which can be used to level your deck and composite joists. Will my composite deck get hot to the touch in the sun? The answer is yes. It depends entirely on how hot the air temperature is and what colour your decking is. The darker the colour of decking, the hotter it is going to get. The lighter colours, generally speaking, stay somewhat cooler. How do I cut my composite decking? So in short, you use all the same machines that you would for timber decking to install your composite deck. The difference is the blade. For example, on a chop saw, we would use a blade like this. This is specifically designed for cutting aluminium, but is ideally suited for cutting composite. Basically, it is very, very fine, has lots and lots of teeth on it. That gives you a very, very clean cut. If you use a slightly more coarse blade, you might find that it produces a bit of damage where the cut has happened. What size driver bit do I use for the screws in the T-clips? So in every box of T-clips you get a free driver bit. It is a Torx head T15. What's interesting about the ones that supply for free though is that they are long, and that means they can get in between the deck boards without damaging the edge of the deck.